have a look at this Gcse question on cumulative frequency graphs. Here is some information about the miles per gallon of 60 cars. So if we look at that, we can see the intervals that we're given and also the frequency. We're asked to draw a cumulative frequency graph for 3 marks. So remember, in order to draw a cumulative frequency graph, the first thing we need to calculate is our cumulative frequency. So I'm just going to put CF here, and in this section we are going to put the coordinates that we're going to plot and hence plot them on the graph. So remember, for our cumulative frequency, we start with the first value given. First frequency is 6. We then need to do 6 add 16, which is 22. We then need to do 22 add 28, which gives us 50. And then 50 add 10, which is 60. We know we're correct because we're given 60 cars. Now we're going to be plotting the graph, but let's write the coordinates that we're going to plot first. Remember, it's always the upper bound of our intervals. So it's going to be 50, which we get from here, against the 6 for the cumulative frequency. 6 against, so 60 against 22, and then 70 against our 50 here, and finally 80 against our 60. So we're going to plot the graph now. We observe our scale. So for the first one, we are doing 50 to 6. We can see that the graph is going up in 2s. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So we need to get to 6. So 50 to 6 will be just here. We plot a graph as a dot. Then we tick that off. We are now doing 60 to 22. So this is 60. 22 will just be one little tiny square above the 20 there. Then 70 against 50. That one is dead on. So then we need to do 80 to 60, which is also dead on. Now remember, we just used a free hand to connect these. So it's going to be a curve and not a straight line. And there we have it, guys. We have drawn our cumulative graph. We could also be asked to answer a question for it, but this is just about drawing the graph. Now remember, for full-length lessons on other topics as well, just visit the YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for watching.